Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of artificial grass carpets. If you have an artificial grass carpet, you know how great it is for low-maintenance greenery. But like anything else, it needs some TLC from time to time. In this video, I'll show you how to deep clean your artificial grass carpet to keep it looking fresh and vibrant. Let's get started. 1. Gather your supplies. A stiff brush or broom. Garden hose or pressure washer. Mild detergent or artificial grass cleaner. Soft cloth or sponge. Bucket. 2. Remove debris. Use a stiff brush or broom to sweep away leaves, twigs, and other debris. This helps to prevent any buildup that can affect the look and feel of your grass. Make sure to brush in different directions to lift the fibers and keep them looking natural. 3. Rinse thoroughly. Use a garden hose or pressure washer to rinse off any dust and dirt. Start from one end and work your way to the other, ensuring you cover the entire area. If you're using a pressure washer, be gentle to avoid damaging the fibers. 4. Applying the cleaner. Mix a mild detergent with water in a bucket. Apply the solution to the grass using a soft cloth or sponge, focusing on any stained or particularly dirty areas. Let it sit for a few minutes to break down the dirt. 5. Scrub and rinse. Use a stiff brush to scrub the grass, working in different directions to lift the fibers and remove dirt. Then, rinse thoroughly with your garden hose or pressure washer to remove all the soap. And there you have it, a clean and fresh artificial grass carpet. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your artificial grass looking its best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!